Hi guys and welcome back to NG Hacks, and today we're going to do how to enable dark mode in YT Studio. So guys, let's get started. First of all, you open your YT Studio. So guys, in the top right corner you can see icon of your account. Click on that. So guys, after clicking that, you can see like this page and you can see the first settings. Click on that. And guys, if you go down you can see dark theme in the appearance mode. Click on that and see guys, you can see YT Studio have turned in dark mode. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.